Can you wait for some time? I'll open it for you.
Again, you're taking a picture?
No, I'm making a video this time because Mama's camera is better than Papa's.
Why don't turn it, it will break again.
I will not break it, baby. Oh my god, you're threatening me. Are you angry? Are you angry, buddy?
No, he's not still happy. He's saying cheese to you.
He's saying cheese to me?
Yeah.
You think so? See? He bobbles up and down.
He's singing.
He's singing because he's looking for sensors. See?
He's singing.
He's dancing, I think.
Touch him again. That's not working.
Because see, he's getting used to my touch. See?
Oh.
See, now he's putting his finger on me. See? He's letting me do that. See?
He's
See, he's getting used to me now.
being happy again now.
Yes, that's true, Joe.
I like my own spider.
You like your own spider? Can you say hi to your spider?
Hi.
Hey, spider buddy, how are you?
Why did...
We like you, spider buddy.
How did it wobble?
Because it has 8 legs, it can wobble.
It can do... It can wobble like a jelly.
Isn't that funny?
Popeye,
Mm-hmm.
jelly is jelly.
I'm listening to you.
What did you say? He's wobbling again. Look what he's doing. You're fighting. Popeye, you're fighting this
No, he's
guy.
just gauging me.
What he is doing?
He's just seeing whether I'm friendly or not.
Woohoo! What is that on the middle of the spider?
Oh, Joe, I don't think it's a spider.
What happened? What happened to the spider?
It's hiding underneath the flower.
It's scared of you, baby.
That's true. He's just annoyed of me, I guess.
But it's not scared of me.
That's true because he likes you.
But creatures are scared of humans.
Oh, you are right, Ojo. Creatures are scared of humans. And sometimes, when they're very, very scared, they attack. That's why you should be careful of creatures.
Mama and Popeye, look, I found a little spider web. Who made it?
Okay, good job.
Maybe the spider
Let's say bye to him now. We'll leave him alone now. Say bye. Bye. See,
your mommy and daddy.
yeah, go to your mommy and daddy. Don't play alone here for a long time.
But they will miss you, mommy and daddy.
Yeah, we will miss you. Yes. Bye.
Bye. I will see you soon, you little spider.